Hey guys, so I was in a local store here in the city waiting for my. Uh, I ordered a rifle, Marlin 795, and it's almost a month already. And I go back there this morning and it's still not there. So out of frustrations, I was looking for rifles that were on display. I was planning to buy a Marlin because I want to buy a rifle that is good for my daughters and for my son. Whenever we go shooting in the range, and last time we tried 12 gauge and my 308, and it's just too much for them. So out of frustrations, I didn't have my Marlin yet, so I was looking for those one on display, comparing prices, and I end up with a Savage 64F. Yeah, it's a 64F. I was comparing this one with a Mossberg, and find some reviews that are not nice with Mossberg, so I bought this one. Anyway, they're almost the same. It's just that I think Marlin 795 has lots of nice reviews, but well, it's a Klingster rifle, so I think they're almost the same. Anyway, so out of the box, this is what you get. There you go. So, a small box for a 22 long rifle. So, there's the rifle. It's compared to Mossberg, it was 4 inches longer with the barreling. So there you go. Yep. Small rifle. And then you have manual. You have trigger lock, 10 rounds clip, earbuds, cheap ones. I think they're almost the same. They have this last shot bolt hold open features. So we'll see. So there you go. Well, we'll see how this works. But anyway, this is a nice small rifle. Sights are just a simple one, but is synthetic. And then, yeah, the long rifles cartridges is So one thing that made me interested with this rifle is that the ammo is so cheap. So this one, for 300 rounds, I spent only like $30. So you have like, this is just like 50s. So there you go, 22 long rifle. Really sure have fun in the range shooting all these 300 rounds for $30, cheap one. So there you go, Savage 64F 22 long rifle. Thanks.